Hey guys, blocked a merchant in Revolut and now wants to reverse it, whether it's to resume subscriptions or allow future payments. This quick guide will show you exactly how to unblock a merchant. So firstly, launch the Revolut app on your device and log into your accounts. Tap your profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen, and then select Security from the menu options. Within the security settings, choose Merchant and Payments. Then tap on Block and then tap on Blocked Payments to view the list of merchants you've previously blocked. Scroll through the list and select the merchant you wish to unblock. Tap Unblock Payments to allow transactions from this merchant again. Alternatively, you can unblock directly from a specific transaction by locating it on your transaction history and selecting the Unblock option there. And that's pretty much it. Very easy to unblock in the Revolut app. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more fintech tips. See you in the next one.